Got him?
Oh, he's a 20.
Big 20. I think it's easier 20. It's a pretty fish, you know.
Oh, yeah, I think he's definitely 20.
I think it's a big 20.
I reckon it's big enough.
Oh. Yeah, definitely 20 inch.
Oh mate, easy that. That's miles bigger than the fish I thought. I think that's a high 20. What do I know?
This.
I'm getting this.
Well done, Dan.
Do you want it wide then?
Yeah, I'll wait.
I'm going to check my scales.
Если вам мешает реклама, закройте ее крестик.
Jízda, řekej.
Vypadá to na kapra. Kolem 70 čísel určitě.
Plus minus 20 minut po náhozu.
Zhruba.
Na těžko.
Jedeme do rákosu. Pojď zpátky. Tam jde přímo do stromu.
Typovaný boilies tam máme.
Co nemůžu?
Jo, sorry.
Ne, do stromu ne.
Přerval.
Jo, je v prdeli.
Do píči.
Aha, aha, 112, RTC, krv istoka, aha. Prvoklasno časno, nek bude svima jasno da rokam, da repam, za kvartu sam raso, dizo se i pado na flow, na podlogu za show, za ulicu, za yo, baby yo, u glas pa za light i za nas kao pas, i u zrak digni ruke, roka bas, kontra vas, kontra plan, ko da znaš, poznaš nas, dosta nas, ima stav, nosi stas, dobar glas, majke mi loši glas, ajmo svi, cijeli čopor RTC, odjeli istočni, zakoni, luđački, faktorski, klošari, ko smo mi, ak si naš kužiš mi, ako ne popuši mi, digni gore svoje, ruke svi su dolje, za moje i za tvoje, što stoje novac broje, do kraja i do groba, za istok i za svoga, do krvi i zbog toga, prva klasa dobra roba.
Pišem ove riječi bez osobitog razloga, trgan ko životinja, svjestan svojih nagona, ovdje smo bez zaklona, pa se buras pazi, na sirovoj stazi pripazi, jedan drugog gazi, ima sretnih nota ko šta ima i idiota, da ti sve pokvari ko u pjesmi kriva nota, ne pišem iz revolta, kad je pjesma stota, ostajem skuliran jel se uvijek dobra mota, ogromna je kvota, da ću ispast nešto, al nisam kriv ja, već je krivo ovo mjesto, klizim oni iz ulice, ne jebem glumce glumice, prošao sam a borbi, neki laju kao pudlice, konkretno, direktno, u glavu kog šta ide, kada rokam nek me vide, papci lešinari glide, kad prvi put zalaje kuja će i ostat, solo biraš put il se gubi il ćeš ostat.
Vi želite do nas bolje, pripremite novčanice, svako zna u biti, ovdje niko nema granice, samo najjači ljudi 100% od sebe dajem, ne stajem, ne lajem, kad se prošetamo svojim krajem, svi sa gudrom rade, drugi spominju mi zgrade, svako zna, crgat lakše lave, glave su bez nade, ljudi sjebute za pljugu, zato ništa se ne nudi, palimo jednu za drugom, ekipe su šatro ludi, ovo kvartovska je škola, dovola i prva, definicija ima sa soma pljugi kad se rokam flow, sege stars, papke bacamo u sjene, ja sam svaki dan ubijen, akter pitaju za mene, dominacija, kreacija, roka prezidente, RTC krv istoka, ne jebem komplimente, neka čuje pola grada kako zvučimo na bitu, hidrofonik, sensi, marihuana za svu elitu.
So camera angle and perspective can add a lot of depth and dimension to our photos. And holding the fish slightly away from your body can actually add a few more inches. But we want to be careful not to stretch the truth too far because it's going to be obvious and look unnatural. One way that we can save a lot of our otherwise mediocre photos is by cropping. And by cropping, we're actually reducing the size of our photo by eliminating a lot of those distracting elements and making our picture smaller. Now those pixels could have got to a lot better use, making our subject higher resolution, ending up with a larger photo. Placing your subject dead center a lot of the times can really plague our shots with that snapshot kind of look. So try placing your subject off to one side. If he's looking to the right, leave quite a bit of room to the right, and this is what we call eye room. One way that we can remember to always leave eye room is by using the rule of thirds, and most cameras have a function that we can turn on that will show us a grid on our LCD screen. And by placing your subject or the important parts of your frame on these intersecting lines, it's going to leave us with a more balanced image. We don't always have control over where in the river we hook up. If we're on a float trip, it could be right in front of the guy's house that has a bunch of junk cars in his lawn. Or we just don't want to showcase the other 20 boats pounding the same mile of river. So depth of field can really save our shot here. What depth of field is what part of our frame is in focus. If we look at it as a three-dimensional field, what part is in focus and what part is out of focus. Now on most point and shoot cameras, most of your iPhone photos, even your DSLR in auto mode can kind of give you that everything in focus look, which sometimes is okay, but most of the time it makes it look like a snapshot. So one thing that we can do to control our depth of field is zoom in and then compose our frame. So if we're